Hey, what's going on, guys? Full here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. And for years, you guys have known us as selling just about everybody's wheels out there and packaging them up with tires to get them shipped to your door. But we've never been able to sell Anthem wheels until now. So we have Anthem on board. They're finally on the site. They're gonna allow us to sell them. And it's a pretty big deal because we are the only other retailer that sells them other than buying from Anthem directly. So if you don't know anything about Anthem, these guys sold their first set of wheels in 2014. And they kind of like pride themselves on being what they call a wheel democracy. So they listen to the people and they make what the people want and then they give it to you. So they don't have a ton of the huge like show truck sizes, and they have a ton of the small stuff because they really cater to the Jeep market and the off-road market. And then they have like this wheel, which is the Defender, which is pretty unique. So all of these pieces here are actually plastic inserts, and then they're held on by real metal fasteners. So you can take this off, get these painted to any color you want if you're trying to match them to your truck, put them back on. And one thing that I do really like is there's plenty of space between here that you can get in, and it's super easy to clean. And if you really wanted to do a deep clean, you can pull these all off, clean it up, put it back on, now you got your wheels all shined up. So Anthem Wheels is actually a small team of people in Chicago, and what they've really tried to focus on the past couple of years is not having everybody sell their wheels, because they want to be unique. They want to offer styles that not everybody's running, you know, like your motor metals or your fuels. There's tens of thousands of people that have those set up, so they wanted to be something unique so that people had an option to buy wheels that weren't the same as everybody else's. So although they might make similar styles, they do have plenty of unique things going on, and they just didn't have a huge market that they were marketing to. So we're hoping to bring these guys more into the limelight, although it is just one brand, so you're still not going to see every single person running these wheels. So Anthem has kind of been known as the underdog in the wheel world, and that's because they want to be the anti-big brand wheel company, so that, like I mentioned, not every single person is running the exact same wheels. So since they listen to their customers, one unique thing they do is everybody who is a part of Team Anthem and getting the initial designs up and running, like all the people that just like their Facebook page and help them vote on what styles to make, are actually listed on the box. So we'll show you a close-up shot, but you can actually see the names in here, like Steve Hamilton, Jerome DeFrank, we got Jeff Clear in here. There's a whole bunch of people that were involved in getting this going, and it's not the people who founded the company, but the people who helped make these designs, and the people who helped are the customers. Plus, if you've ever heard of Truck Race, you probably also know about Johnny Huey, and Johnny Huey runs Anthem.